Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to add text in Premiere Pro. Okay, so at the moment I have my Premiere Pro desktop, I shall say, the Video Wizard logo, and I'm going to add some text to it. Okay, so you have this little sidebar down here, and you want to just press that little T for the type tool. You just want to drag where your text is going to go. Then write whatever you want to put. So I'm going to put in Video Wizard, okay? Again, this works just like another video. So you can choose where it's going to be. You can shorten it in the video, have it so it comes in later, just the same as any other video. Now, to change it, you're going to want to use the Essential Graphics, okay? So head up into Window, and then Essential Graphics here. Make sure that's ticked. If not, tick it. My one's down in here, and this is where you change all of your text. Okay, so if I want to change the placement, make it a little bit more accurate. Oh, I've made another text box actually, ignore that. This one here. I can move my text to wherever I want it to go, up or down, and you can change opacity. You can do all of these kind of things, okay? And that is literally it. That's how you add text in Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.